new ways of living, and new thinking.
The opposite of precision dispensing, just putting a lot on, which causes a lot of waste. The automotive industry changes quite quickly, especially now with electric vehicles. Instead of welding steel, they're gluing the cars together. Same thing in the 2K side of it, which is really used in the electric vehicle, battery manufacturing. But even the greases have become very challenging.
Greases have evolved over the years, become more complex and more expensive. For a company to monitor how much grease and know that they're putting grease on parts became really important.
There's been a lot more data collection regarding every single part and every single component on the assembly process, with positive displacement, knowing exactly how much material is dispensed and where it's dispensed accurately every time.